I'm so excited. Today's going to be one of my favorite topics. We're talking about one of my favorite accessories ever, and that's hats. If you know me, if you've known me, if you ever see me, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to have on a hat of some sort. It could be winter, it could be summer, it could be spring, it could be fall, but I'm more than likely going to have on some sort of hat. Today, I'm rocking the beanie hat. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm about to go through 5 of my favorite ways to wear my favorite all year round accessory, and that's the hat.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress.
So, the first style I'm going to share with you guys quickly. I'm just trying to get my hat together. I can't be showing y'all hats with lint balls and shit all over it. Y'all won't be talking shit about my hats. Now this style is called the single cuff, and it's super easy to do, and it's the most common way that beanie hats are worn. So to achieve this, you want to get your beanie hat, you want to unroll it, and while you're rolling it, you want to do 2 rows, right? Boom, and boom. Then you want to put it on the head and put it all the way down over the ears, right on top of the eyebrows, and this is a single cuff. So this style is called the high top, obviously, and this look is achieved by simply taking the hat, your beanie hat, unroll it completely, unroll. You want to start at the top, you want to roll it down 2-inch rows. Just make 2-inch rows all the way around. Make sure they're even. And you're going to leave all that excess fabric at the top. Once it's there, simply take it, throw it on, and just style it according to your own personal style. Like some days I do 1 row and I got extra high, and it flop down a little bit in the back, which is cool if that's my look for the day, you know. But when you do the 2 rows, it adds a little bit more structure on this, so it'll kind of make the hat a little bit more easier to, you know, make it look cool and make funky and stuff. But this is a good look. This is how I was wearing my hat when I was in downtown Chicago, and this guy ran up on me like, "Yo, where'd you get your hat from?" I was actually wearing the yellow one. "Where'd you get your hat from? I love how you're wearing it. How'd you style it?" So I gave him a little on the spot tutorial. The third style that I'm going to show y'all how to rock is the Dumb Donald. That's what I like to call it. Simply take the hat. You're going to make sure it's all unrolled. And then you're going to put it all the way on and just roll up. You're going to roll up right till you get to your eyebrow. You're going to stop underneath the earlobe, but on top of the eyebrow, so it creates a cool shape there. And that's it. It's simple. This is one of the easiest ways to wear the hat. And it's super understated, but it's the ultimate understatement. You know what I mean? I mean, this one's like super bright blue, but if yours was black or gray or whatever, it's still super emo, super low key, and it's cool. I wore my hat like this yesterday. I think it was raining. I didn't want anything to get over it, so yeah, I like it. This style is called the Fisherman, and I think it's super cool. It's probably the second most common way that you'll see someone wearing a beanie hat, and it screams, "I'm cool, not cold." To achieve this look, take your beanie, and just like the double cuff, you're going to do 1 and 2 cuffs, same length, and then on the third one, you're going to just roll it up. You're going to do a roll, just like you see here, and you're going to press it flat so that it gives like the fold effect, and it should sit right on top of the ears and right above the eyebrows. Just give you like a cool, but I'm still warm type of look to it. This is my absolute favorite way to wear my beanie hat. So this look, or this style, was inspired by me leaving the barbershop, not today, and my cut was super fresh, my liner was super dope, but it was 20 below outside, and I did not want my head to be cold. So I took the hat, I was walking out, I rolled it a little bit, and I literally just threw it on, and it looked cool. So now, that's one of the styles, right? I call it the fade, because I was getting a fade, or I had just got a fade, and it sat right on top of my fade. So this style is called the fade. And literally, there's no rules or anything to this one. You just literally take the hat, you can roll it however you want, and you just throw it on lightly and just swag it out. Like this one has all of your own personal style and all of your own personal flavor, and it's all about being confident. And I was confident as hell after I left the barbershop with my super tight haircut and my beanie hat just thrown right on top. Just keep in mind that all of the styles shown to you guys today can be achieved by just taking your beanie hat and just working with it. Play with it, have fun with it, don't be so serious, and just have confidence when you're trying on the hats and the looks. You might not look like me in it, I might not look like you, but I definitely want you guys to share your pictures and your posts and your videos about how you wear your beanie hats. I want to know how y'all wear beanie hats. How you wear your beanie hat? Yesterday, today, let me know. Until next time, I'm Marcus Ivory. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.